Hi guys, it's Sheri Ann Richerson from experimentalhomesteader.com,
and Jeffrey Rhoades.
and we have an unboxing video for you today. I do need to tell you before we begin that I did receive this item for free in exchange for my honest review. All opinions are our own. So, and I'm going to let Jeff introduce this item for you.
Okay, this is the Moosth.
It is
hooded blanket.
Yes. It's a wearable blanket.
Wearable blanket. I'm having a rough night. So, this is flannel.
Yay. I love flannel.
It's also Sherpa lined, so very warm.
Oh, wow.
It has a hoodie. It has elastic at the cuffs to keep the sleeves back out of the way when you're doing things.
Yes, and something that I want to show you really quick. It is vacuum packed.
Yes.
So what does that mean? That means that it could, and probably does, have a few wrinkles in it when you get it. If you're giving this as a gift and you want to unvacuum pack it, put it on a hanger, spray it with some Downy wrinkle release, and then repackage it into a nice apparel box or whatever it is you're going to package it in. That will take care of the wrinkles that way. If you're going to keep it for yourself, I suggest that you wash it and you dry it. There's special instructions for that I'm going to let Jeff tell you about. But that will take care of the wrinkles. Wrinkles are normal.
Iron it.
Don't iron it.
Do not iron it.
Wrinkles are normal.
Don't dry clean it. Tumble dry on low heat.
And I should have brought some scissors.
Dry it flat. And don't bleach it.
And do not bleach.
Okay.
Yeah. Jeff is going to get his pocket knife out here so we can open this up and take a look at it. I'm really excited that it is Sherpa lined as well. That's, okay.
That was fun.
This is going to expand as soon as you open it.
I heard it go.
Yes.
As it started sucking in the air.
I know. I was watching it. That would have been great to get on video.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about the crinkling. There's nothing we can do about that. Oh my gosh, this is so soft.
Pull it. Pull it.
I am pulling it. Ooh. Some paperwork fell out.
Probably cleaning instructions.
Yes. Let's see. Okay. It is your regular instruction paperwork. It says outer material is flannel, liner fabric, fluffy
Sherpa.
Thank you. One size fits all. Body length 48 inches, bust waist 67 inches, sleeve 31 inches. Manufacturer, do you want to attempt to say that?
Shenzhen Zhu Ru Xing.
And I'm sorry if we have butchered your name. We tried.
Well, you didn't let me finish the
Oh, I'm sorry.
technology company.
Okay.
Um,
LTD.
Yeah.
Yes. They have their address on there?
Yeah. Country of origin, China. I'm not going to try and do that.
No, there is a phone
address.
number and an email on there too, so that's really great. If you have a problem, you know how to contact them. The other paper, the back of the other one is care instructions. Don't dry clean, don't iron, don't bleach, tumble dry, low heat, and dry flat. I'm very confused about the tumble dry, low heat, dry flat. Because dry flat usually means you don't put it in the dryer. The modern dryers,
Well, okay. What it's saying is you can tumble dry it on low heat.
We are back. We don't know what that oopsies was, but we're back and we apologize. So,
What I was saying, you tumble dry it on low heat, or you lay it out flat to dry.
yes.
Okay. Or if you tumble dry on low heat and it doesn't get completely dry, you lay it out flat and let it finish drying.
Yes.
So
Now there are a lot of designs of these, and I picked the Hawaiian flowers. So this is what mine looks like. Very nice. This is the front of the hoodie with the ties. And I am going to show this to you on, but I wanted to unbox it. This is what the inside liner looks like. It is all the way through, and there are pockets. Those are really deep pockets too. I mean,
that's what it was saying.
Yeah, look at this. Okay, my hand is like all the way up to here in those pockets. So there are pockets on both sides. So those are really,
yeah, it was
really
reading, it was
nice.
saying,
Yeah.
deep pockets that are lined.
Yes.
You don't have to wear gloves. You can just stick your hands in the pockets and you know, keep your hands nice and warm.
Yeah, that's the pocket.
Yeah.
This is what the inside of the pocket is like. So, yes.
And the drawstrings allow you to close off the hoodie around your neck so that you can keep the cold air out.
Yes. And this is the elastic sleeve.
Yep.
Look at that. So, very, very nice. So, I can't wait to try it on. And that is exactly what I'm going to do. I am going to put this on, and then we're going to come back on video so that you can see exactly what this looks like on someone who is wearing it. So we will be right back. Okay, so I have this on, and as you can see, it reaches my feet. Standing up, it actually goes almost to the floor. It does not stop me from being able to walk. I can walk just fine in this, but it is full length on me. I am 5 foot 1 inches. My hands are in the pockets. There is plenty of room, as you can see. I normally wear a size large in a dress. So this is a one size fits all, and I really feel like there is a lot of room. So if you are a 1X or maybe even a 2X, I feel like maybe this would fit you. These sleeves have elastic on them. They are stretchy. And as you can see, they are not tight against my wrists, but there is plenty of room for those to stretch. The hood, it does need to be tied where you want it because it is really large. And so I'm going to untie it because I want to show you this. If I pull the hood all of the way forward, I am all the way back inside of here. But if I needed to pull this really tight, I could literally tie it to where just my mouth and nose were exposed. So my thought is this is very comfortable. It is very warm. This would be ideal for someone who is always cold, someone who lives in an older, drafty house, an elderly person. We bought one like this for Jeff's mom, and she absolutely loves it. This would be an ideal thing to put in your emergency bag or in an area where you could get to it in case of a power outage, because I feel like this is going to really help keep you warm. Just go ahead and put it on over whatever clothes you're wearing and give yourself an extra layer. I feel like if I needed to go outside in the winter to pick up a package or, you know, whatever, and I had not gotten fully dressed yet, that this would perform sort of like a coat, because it is lined, and like I said, it's very warm. I'm almost sweating in it, and it's maybe 65 degrees in our house right now. So this is definitely a product that I love, that I feel like I'm going to get a lot of use out of. I feel like the seams are sewn nicely, and it is very well made, and I look forward to getting a lot of use out of this. I think it would make a great gift item. Again, the pattern I chose is Hawaiian Flowers, but if you don't like this pattern, they do have several other patterns that you can choose from. The link to purchase this, I will put an affiliate link down in the description if you want to be able to just click and go over to Amazon and check this product out. Again, it is made of flannel with Sherpa on the inside. Very, very nice product. So please subscribe. Check out our membership. That's the join button for some exclusive content that we're going to be offering to members only. There are 3 levels, so there is a level that is perfect for everyone. Thank you all for watching, and have a great night.